What is up, guys? My name is Gabe Feldman from Florida Bass TV, and we are fishing out here on the powerboat in the Intercoastal. We've got a nice flat day, pretty early out here, and got a jerk bait tied on. This little twitch bait. It's like it's a Unfair Lures, and it's a mullet. I love this thing. It's so cool looking. It looks just like a mullet. And gonna probably put a plastic on this one. Then I got jerk bait on this guy. So we're gonna start off fishing these docks for hopefully a nice snook. Then I'm gonna fish this bridge, see what's going on, and work our way up the shoreline. So hopefully we can get one. I only have one battery with this GoPro, and I have the Olympus for my B-roll camera. So hopefully we can get enough footage before everything dies. So stay tuned, guys. Alright, guys. This is where I caught some fish over here on this side. Last time I fished over here. So hopefully you can see some snook near these docks. Alright, guys, switched up to a D.O.A shrimp here. Spread some of this scent all over it. There's a fish. That's a nice snook, guys. I have to keep him on through this dock here. Oh gosh, that's a nice one. On the D.O.A shrimp. Oh, he kept him on. We kept this thing on. It's a nice one too. Please don't break me off. Okay, he's still on. He's still on. What have we got here? Oh yeah, that's a nice snook. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, guys, look at this guy. Woo-hoo-hoo. That's my biggest snook of the year, for sure. You thought you were getting away there for a second, didn't you? Oh, no you're not. Ooh, look there, guys. That is a Florida snook. Whew, that was so fun. I'm still like shaking almost. That guy fought so hard on the little white D.O.A shrimp. He was just sitting right under these docks. So I made the switch to this side of the Intercoastal because this is where I caught fish last time, and that was obviously the move. That is a nice fish. I want to actually measure him, see how long he is, because that is looking like a 20 something incher. Ow. God. I don't think he's a slot. That was a lot of fun, guys. That is an awesome fish. Hope you guys can see it. It's probably about a 22 incher, something like that. And dang, he fought so hard. We are gonna try to get some more before the camera dies. Ooh. He didn't wait a second, did he? There's some jack schooling, guys. We're gonna catch some jack in a minute, right over here. Where'd the jack go? I saw you here a minute ago. Here, jack, 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 jack. There's a fish. There's a jack. Yeah. Where's the rest of your big friends? You're not very big. Another one on the little shrimp, D.O.A. That guy back, and hopefully catch his mama. Ooh, something just nailed it. Oh my God, come back. There's the jack again. That one. It's not a very big one. I want to catch a bigger one. Alright, let's get some more. Come on. Give me my shrimp back. I want to catch your mama. There's some big ones out here. He's not giving me my shrimp. Anyways, guys, I'm going to go ahead and call it a day. Make sure to check out the Cast King channel. For the for the snook, I was using the Cast King Assassin here. And I got a 10-pound braid on there and a 20-pound leader. And I was also using the Spartacus Maximus here with the Para G2. And I was also using that for the D.O.A shrimp. And that was what was killing us today, guys. It's flat water. Fish wanted a smaller bait and a slower presentation. And so it was really good at first, but then it started to get slower today as it got hot. So I'm going to go ahead and head in and make sure to check out, like I said, the Cast King channel. And I'll put a link in the description if you want to check out the awesome reels. Want to get a good bait caster for saltwater, check out the Spartacus Maximus. And stay tuned, guys, for the next episode. Thanks for watching.